What's the meaning of appreciative? Appreciative. Appreciative.
Appreciative. Appreciative. Appreciative is an adjective used to describe someone who feels grateful or thankful, typically for something that has been done for them. It can also refer to a person who has an ability to recognize the value of things or people. Being appreciative can lead to positive feelings and improved relationships with others, as it shows a willingness to acknowledge and express gratitude for their actions or contributions. Being appreciative can also inspire others to continue their good deeds or efforts, leading to further positive outcomes.